Guys, we are in the Monterey Jet Center, and look at this. Very cool. Got the Wyra. There are some very epic cars in that hangar. Let's go check it out. Got some private jets as well. Guys, what can get any better than this? Supercars and airplanes. Got the Diablo, Countach, another Diablo. Yo, look at what they have here.
I'm the only sober one here. And don't you forget
got
that.
The outfit tryouts.
Yeah, exactly.
So many drunk people. Rich and drunk. Alright guys, so all the epic cars are in here. Whoa. Very nice. F50, F40. LFA Nürburgring, Carrera GT, 599 GTO. This is just supercars, hypercars, and special unique cars overload. Never seen an LFA Nürburgring in person. Finally got to see it. Dang, that's a cute dog. Hello. Got a LaFerrari. Hey there. 918. This is just too much. Wow. Shit. $300 SL XJ220. Ford GT. Miura.
When you say
And now here we have more epic cars. Oh, the Countach is heading out. Nice. And the Diablo. SLR. Ford GT. Hennessy Venom F5. Helicopter. Now that's cool. Private jets. Check this out. This is the Lotus Type 62-2. We not only have supercars and hypercars, got jets. That's cool. Just gonna do a quick walk around. White Dino. Very cool. Another one. It's a nice color on the 575.
I'm a big sim racer. Like, I don't race cars at all, so yeah, so that's what I do.